This is the 8th of August, 2023. We're at Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida. Right now we're heating up some cranberries with steam from our boiler. Going to run them in this CP4 press. We're going to have immense pressure on the cone. Normally you run at 30, 60 psi. We've got a booster to get it up to 200 psi. Running slow, 10 RPM. Here's our cranberries heating. And right here's our boiler. Up, excuse me, 60 psi. So I'm going to open the valve a little more and heat these a little faster. Okay, we're getting the cranberries heated up, 150, 170. Over here on the screen, we're putting up some steam. That's it's running. And there's 150 Fahrenheit. Well, we have a total failure. We're still running the press. You can see the screw a little bit in the corner. Material churning. We couldn't get any press cake to come out. A little bit's coming out now, but we lowered the pressure from 200 psi down to 30. And so we got the press cake you see down there was actually when we popped the cone open in case the stuff was jammed at the discharge. It hadn't. We got out some liquid. Temperature up to 180 at places there, Fahrenheit. And it was down to 130 in here. We kept the screw speed at 10 RPM. We tried reversing, we ran it backwards and forward. There wasn't any plug to break loose. I'll save the sample and give it another try without the boiler. Okay, it's Friday, 13th of August, 2023. These guys are putting together this press because he's taking it home in his truck to do. I'm going to take the cranberry seeds that we ran through the press last week, or earlier this week, where we used steam injection. So these, I tried squeezing some liquid out by hand now, and I couldn't. I did take my original sample as received, and it was easy to squeeze some liquid out that had 5 degrees BRIX. So the material as I received it, I think the press would have squeezed liquid out, and it would have been a good feedstock for a biogas digester, what with 5 degrees BRIX sugar. Okay, the press filled up after a couple of minutes here, and this is what we're squeezing out of the cranberry juice, seeds. That could be condensed steam, or it could be some liquid that was in them originally. Lab results will give us a clue there. But I expect the cone to start opening in a little bit. Got 45 psi on it, and I'm running at 17 RPM. The 45 psi is high. I'm after maximum dewatering, mostly because I couldn't squeeze a drop out with my fist. And the speed 17 is fairly high capacity throughput, and that's just to save me time more than anything else. Here's the action I'm getting. A very slow oozing out of press liquor. I'm catching some in a bottle down here, and the material seems to be channeling out on this side of the cone, or just falling loose there. But that's the press cake coming out. There's all the press cake that's come through. That's quite a bit. And for a very little amount of oil or liquid or juice. Oops, I've bridged. See, nothing's moving in here. And my screw down here bridged over. One reason it bridges in this press is it's a 8-inch opening up here, but only a 4-inch screw down there. So we have less frequent bridging problems in larger diameter presses, where the size of the inlet hopper is about the same as the diameter of the screw. And there's the action. You can see it's starting to bridge. Once I do that, press liquor coming out slowly, press cake coming out, and a steady stream falling down there. Strange, I just measured the BRIX as my press liquor and at 7 degrees. And a while ago I measured the as-received material and it was only 5 degrees. Strange that it shouldn't have gone up, it should have gone down because the 70-degree BRIX stuff is what went through the press or was in the press with the steam injection.